Know how to get to touch your dance? Let me show y'all. First go to avatar, then go to animations. Go to here and get this touch dance and add one. And now you will get your touch dance. Touch, matter much. And I bet you on a touch. And I bet you on a touch. And I bet you much. I like this touch dance. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get the catwalk. I hope this will work for y'all. Bye.